Hi guys, I'm going to install Veritas Backup Exec 20.4 version. I'm going to start. We have to shoot a pre-installation process. We have to start pre-installation process firstly. If any issues are found, you can fix them before you install Backup Exec. You can read the text message. Yeah, I'm starting the pre-installation process. I'm clicking next. Yeah, local environment check. Okay. I don't have a DHCP server in my environment because of I only using the DNS and Active Directory system my environment, and also yeah, there is no problem. Importantly, okay, we can go to the Backup Exec installation process. I'm going to click install, and I clicked the install menu. Okay, we have to wait a couple of seconds. Okay, I accept the license agreement. I am going to select custom installation. Yeah, I want to local installation only, and then install backup exec software and features. This local machine, not remote console and remote installation. Yeah, environment check again. We can skip this process because of I download the trial version of backup exec, and then we can use to 60 days. No problem. And then after the 60 days, we have to import the license and license.clf file. This is very important. Just the training lab, because of I don't install any license file. Yeah, you must feature purchase not install backup exec. And then I'm going to select some features to install. Advanced disk backup console advanced feature. Yeah, this is very important for me. I want to manage the CASA on the CASA system. If you want to install more than backup exec server, you should to manage and you should to add the CASA system before, and then you can manage the all backup exec system. This panel. I'm going to show the CASA menu. And then we want to use the NDMP feature. This is not important right now, but if we want to install for this operation, I will install it very easily. Just I'm going to go to the I'm going to the click the browser as administrator, and then I am going to install NDMP feature very easily. I don't use the any agent for Linux. I'm clicking the advanced disk backup. You can read the all description and on this right panel. Okay. Also no VTL, but doesn't matter. It's keeping just English. C drive default path. That's correct. I'm going to use the A drive for data backup. I'm also I just install C drive default. Yes, we have to put in this blank for password. This is very important. Yeah, the account administrator has been granted the following rights: log on as a service, log on as a using batch login type. This is very important because of the administrator user starting this related service. Also create a local express SQL Express instance for backup exec database. Yeah. You can skip this. Yeah. It takes some time, and then I will start to again this video after the completion of this process. Okay, installation has completed successfully. Skip server, finish installation. Okay, I can close this browser, and then I started the trial version Veritas Backup Exec. You can see the item and description very quickly under reading our system. I want to explain some menu very quickly and shortly. You can install license after the trial version, or in this trial version timing. You can install license very easily on this panel. Okay, and then we can start to stop and restart all operation, and this panel, it's very easy. Start all service, stop all service, restart all service, edit credential. Maybe you can change the password, and then you have to update the credentials on this panel. Also, if you want to learn more detail, I think so you should install Backup Exec on local host, and then you can read and searching to all menu. It's very easy. You should understand. No problem. And this is the new feature, SaaS backup technical support. You can find any documents and troubleshooting training, any technical support. This panel have documentation, some as well. Okay, home is the dashboard of the Backup Exec. Also, you can see the central administrator server. This is the CASA. I installed the features. You remember that CASA server. And also I managed more than Backup Exec server, one dashboard and one point. If you want to, you can edit the layout columns very quickly. One column, two column. Also select and unselect system health, support, etc. Recommend this store. Okay. Job network storage. We should to start configuration first the storage server. We can do it together. Yeah, disk-based storage. This is very important. The application disk storage is the I want to install the application's disk storage. It's very important for me. I want to use the application feature on the backup system. Also, you can add cloud network tape, storage pools, etc. The application pool, the storage, yes. DDS Super 1. Yeah, create new the application disk storage device. This is my disk size. If grounded that you exclude the application disk storage from antivirus scans, yes. If you use a semantic protection or the other backup feature, antivirus program or software, you should exclude the application disk storage device on related antivirus program. Yeah, I should add the administrator or backup admin user. I want to add the administrator user on this panel, but you should add Active Directory system on the Active Directory system, backup user, admin user, EV admin. It doesn't matter. This is my default account. Okay. Next. Yes. I don't want to enable encryption features because of the this is a virtual machine, and I want to more efficient and performance. I want to see the performance on this system. No, don't enable encryption. Concurrent operation. What is the concurrent operation? You can read this description. The settings determines how many jobs can run at the same time on this device. This is very trick words. You can run at the same time on this device. Okay. The number of jobs that this device can handle varies depending on your hardware environment. Blah blah blah. I want to set the 10. Yeah, you can show the quick storage configuration summary. Okay, same recommendation. Creating DDS1, the application storage system, on my local account, localhost. Yeah. This is the all configuration, and I want to move the unnecessary programs and folders on this C drives. The view more properties you can configure. Okay. Yeah, service is starting, of course. Yeah. Started related service. I can configure backup and restore jobs. Yeah, I want to add server. I use the VMware vCenter and ESX host, but I want to add just the one ESX server related backup exec system. Also, you can add the other NDMP, SharePoint, Hyper-V very easily. This is the IP address I want to add 061 01 02 is no, not this, just this. Next, login account you want to use. I should add the ES6 user and password. Password. Type the okay. This default. This is 6i. I have three ES6i servers, and also I use the vCenter, one vCenter, but it's a member of the 60 and 62 IP address related to vCenter, but I don't want to use all of them. Just I used one ES6 server separate the other system because of this thing is very important for me. Yeah, root account user and summary. Next. Yeah, backup is the best trusted server. Yes, of course. Yes. This is the Windows server. Windows 2016. Yeah, 16 servers. Okay. I installed agent for the server, but close the server. I should open firstly. This is the second vCenter, but I want to close vCenter 1 because I use the vCenter 2. It is not very important right now. I'm demonstrating only Backup Exec. Yeah, this is online. Will not be installed. I should wait to up this system. A couple of minutes. And then I'm going to again offer no. I should wait. I should select the administrator user. Upgrade Backup Exec Windows current version automatically restart remote computer. Okay, I can restart the remote computer. No problem. Yeah, it takes some time. Can keep and continue the others tab. You can see the job monitor. I will start the Veritas Backup Exec job on this system, and you understand very easily. No problem. I can show job monitor on this panel. Still, storage, storage, configure cloud storage, Azure and S3. We need to Azure key on this panel. I have no Azure account right now, but I will add the Azure and S3 demonstration temp account. That's them. Maybe next video I will demonstration Azure and S3 configuration for you. Report. You should search this report very easily. Now custom report. Now new custom report. We can use the temp report. Run now. Properties. It's very easy. How many backup jobs for protect server run successfully? Maybe how can I better protect my research, etc. Configuration. Wait, what configuration change environment? Yeah. There are a lot of reports on this panel. Instant cloud recovery. It's very good properties. Is cloud recovery to Azure not configured? Firstly, I should add the cloud storage on the system, especially Azure. I need the key and token, and then I should back up the related system one time. One time is enough for testing. It had to complete this process, and if I have one VM backup on my on-prem system, I can very easily restore, instant recover cloud system to Azure. Could configure, yeah, it's very easy. But I should wait right now because of I have not Azure account, but I will take. Yeah, we need to wait completed this process, and then I will start the backup job, and then we will go to the job monitor and we will investigate in detail installation and backup process related job. Okay. install the Backup Exec agent for Windows. I will continue next video.